Hi, so I want to show you a real simple exercise that's really good for migraines and moving excess heat in the head or the overall body. It's called 10 dragons run through the forest. Here's your 10 dragons, your 10 fingers. So what you're going to do is you're going to take them and you're going to just slide your hands across the top of the head, down the back of the neck, and flick away any excess tension or heat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Great for migraines, releasing, or headaches in general. Inhale. Exhale. And just moving energy that can get stuck in the body. If you're feeling overheated, it's a great way to work. Couple more. And that simple exercise is a great way to open up energy. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.